everyone, my name is Jade Southwood and I am super excited to be showing you guys how to use the Julienne Brow Tint kits today. It's super easy, but if you do have any questions at all, please feel free to pop them in the comments below, and I see that the Julienne team is online and they'll be more than happy to help you with those questions. And just before we get started, the Julienne team, just to say thank you for watching me till the end, has got a little surprise for you, so please do stick around. It's definitely worth it, and I'll tell you about it at the end. So getting started, it's really three basic, sorry if there's any noise in the background, my husband's quite loud on his video calls. Anyway, it's three basic steps. It's prep, apply and remove, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and I have a little bit of time later on in the video to show you what's in the contents of the box and stuff, so I'll show you then. I've already skipped the first step just to make the video a little bit shorter, but basically what you guys will have to do is just make sure that your eyebrows have been washed properly and dried properly, just to make sure that there's no makeup or oils on them. So yeah, like I said, I've skipped that step, and then you take your little spoolie brush, which you get in the box, and you've just got to make sure that your brows are in place nicely. So you just brush them in place. Got quite thin eyebrows, so it's not much of a mission for me. And then you can take one of your earbuds and you can use Vaseline or petroleum jelly or like an 8-hour cream, any type of cream or Vaseline or anything, just as a safety step. And what you can do is, I'm just using an 8-hour cream, you can basically just paint around your brow just as a precautionary measure, in case you get the dye out, just in case you get the dye outside the lines. And I don't have the most steady hand, so I definitely like to do this. Okay, also just be careful not to get any Vaseline or whatnot on your actual eyebrow, because obviously it'll jeopardize the dye on your eyebrow and you might end up with some patchy eyebrows. So that won't be great. Okay, I know some of my friends with a steadier hand than me actually skip this step, but I like to be safe. Okay, and then I have you take the, I'll show you, like I said, I'll show you what's in the contents of the box, but basically there's a little creamer and a tint, and it looks like this. I've put a centimeter of each, a centimeter of the tint and a centimeter of the creamer. You can put a little bit more in if you feel like you need more, as long as the ratios are the same. That's the most important part. And then take your time at mixing it up. That's also a super important step, just to make sure that it is mixed up properly. I've already done this. You can just take your spoolie and mix it up, and that's what it looks like. And then you don't be scared to be quite generous. You just take some on your spoolie. Obviously this is the apply step of the three. Okay, and you just put it on quite nicely. Oopsie. Paint it on. If you do go out the lines, it's not a big issue because we have put Vaseline there. And I will just take a little earbud afterwards and clean that up. If you need to get some more, go for it. And you paint the other side. Oh, surprisingly, I'm better at the left eyebrow than the right. 100% thought it would be the other way around. again, it's a little bit tricky when you've got tiny little eyebrows like I do. Okay, I definitely look like an angry bird right now. Okay, so I've applied. I'm going to clean it up with an earbud, but a super important step is to put your timer on. I'm going to set mine for 3 minutes, and I've set it. Just going to clean it up here. Cool. Okay, so the timer, I set it for 3 minutes just because I have used this product before, so I know that I'm a 3-minute girl. I've got kind of dark eyebrows already. So obviously the longer that you leave it on for, the darker it's going to tint. You can play around and try to figure out your perfect time, and yeah, so you can keep it on for 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. You can go up to 10 minutes, but please don't exceed 10 minutes. And then if you aren't sure of what your color is, I know they come in a midnight black, a dark brown, and a light brown. I'm busy using the dark brown, and this is what the box looks like. It's super cute. I love the rose gold. But basically you can mix the dark brown and the midnight black and the light brown to get your perfect color. So that's also really cool. You can just play around with that. And then what comes in the box is a little leaflet. It's definitely important to go through this. It shows you all the steps, and it also tells you that you should definitely also do a little patch test. So you can do the little mixture, and you can place some on the inside of your wrist. I like to do it there. And you leave it on for the required time. I think it's like 3 minutes. Could be wrong, just read it in your little leaflet. And then before you use the product, just give it 48 hours just to see if you have any allergic reactions to any of the ingredients. And then this is the cute little contents. You can see that they give you a little dip in there to be able to mix it all in. So really, it's so nice and easy to, oh, my 3 minutes is nearly up, but it's super easy. It's like awesome to do in lockdown, so easy, and it's nice and compact, so you can take it wherever you're traveling to. And yeah, one of my favorite things about Julienne, and my friends will know as well, that I've changed all my beauty products to animal cruelty free products, and Julienne is certified by PETA, which means they're animal cruelty free and vegan friendly, so I love it. And yeah, so that's basically my favorite, probably one of my favorite things about Julienne. I'm going to start telling you how to prep, how to remove, just because my 3 minutes is up. I'm just going to stop my timer. Okay, so you just take a little cotton wool pad, and you can just dampen it in some water. You can spray a little bottle of water. Do that. Oh, I think I've made it a bit too wet now. And it's really simple. You just give it a little bit of a wipe. You don't have to go too hard. So I've also got, I see someone is saying that they've got thin eyebrows. I also used to use the pencil, and I absolutely love the dye. I used to use the pencil until this came along. My eyebrows are thin. You just can make sure with thin eyebrows that you put Vaseline around so that you don't end up dyeing the outside of your brows. And then the last little move on your one eyebrow, I like to just go the reverse side, just to make sure that all of the dye is off. Cool, that's the one done. And then the other one. So yeah, like I said, I also used to use the pencil, and this has changed my life. I absolutely love it. It's just one less thing to do in the morning. Okay. reverse one. I don't know if you can hear my husband, but he is really loud on his video calls. Okay guys, and that is it. I absolutely love how easy this is. I don't know how long that took, but it was super quick. Thank you guys so much for watching. And then obviously the little surprise for you guys, I'm going to read it if you don't mind, just so that I don't get it wrong. I would hate to get it wrong. But basically the Julienne team is offering, well, they're giving away a free brow kit just to say thank you for watching until the end. They're giving a free brow tint kit and a gorgeous Julienne mask to 5 lucky Facebook Live fans, so you guys. And to stand a chance of winning this, please put your email address. Please send your email address. I see that the Julienne team is putting their email address in the comments, so what you've got to do is just email that email address, the julienne@leechem.co.za, and you email them your email address. Also, if you buy anything on their online store before midnight tonight, so anything, you can buy anything, you will automatically receive one of these cool little brow tint kits for free. And if you want to know anything more about any of the Julienne products, you can watch all the tutorials and find out all the information on www.julienne.com. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, have a good day. Happy Friday.